they have any idea of what it takes to actually do the shit we do. Like, when it's so simple just to do just a minor thing.
Good morning, guys. I am coming at you with a very messy house. She feels my pain. Don't you? Feel my pain? Yes, so let's get motivated and clean this house. It has been hot. It has been bothersome. I have been doing a lot and I have not been on YouTube for a little bit. I mean, I posted a video where I was talking, having a nice conversation with a nice little duck, which I named Julio. Julio the duck. I need to get motivated, and you guys know you motivate me. So it's me and Lady and the rest of the dirty ass house. See? Let me just show you what I'm working with. And then we'll move on from there, okay? So this is what the living room looks like. That box right there needs to go. Me and Angie just got our new ukulele, and I have to get rid of those boxes. These are some clothes. These are papers. This is just a big, giant freaking mess. It needs to be swept, mopped, vacuumed, folded, everything, okay? Moving on to the place that I call my home. You ready? You guys know where I'm about to take you down, chill. All right, well, if you don't know, it's my kitchen. Clothes that need to be folded. I mean, not folded, washed, then folded. Dishes that need to be washed. Floor that needs to be swept. We all know what my kitchen looks like. Look at those clothes. Need to be folded. Stove needs to be cleaned. Husband that needs to be... just playing. Moving on. Where do we need to move on from here? Oh! Bathroom. Would you look at that? Bathroom. So this, my friends, my dear, dear friends, is the tackle of the day. We should probably get this step in, so let's go. After I was done with this 4-in-1, I washed it out and I put some bleach and water in it. So that's what I use. I just bought these. Too bad now. I did hair yesterday, guys, so I'm telling you, it was like a no cleaning day yesterday. Let's go. You guys remember how tiny my bathroom is, right? Look, guys, more Q-tips. I don't think there's ever going to be a video that you do not a cleaning video anyway that you do not hear me complain, because it just irritates the shit out of me. Like, I'm literally the only one that does shit in this house. And no matter how many times I tell them, they don't do it. Look, the clippers are back down here again. They have no idea what I go through. I feel like us as mothers make things seem so much easier than they are. But like, if they had any idea of what it takes to actually do the shit we do, like, when it's so simple just to do just the minor things. Put this skirt on the, I hate seeing this. I hate it. So I'm gonna put the skirt on. Watch me. I'll show you what. I got this skirt from Shoppers World, and if you have a small toilet, I'm sweating and I'm becoming delusional. Look at the sweat. Look at the beads. Yeah. Okay. So if you have a small sink, not a small toilet. I mean, if you have a small toilet, I don't know what to tell you, but I could tell you what to do if you have like a sink like this and you really don't want to see this. Anyway, yeah. Keep it moving. I got this thing. Oh my god, are you freaking serious? I can't. Okay. I got this. If you don't stay up. Okay, I got this skirt from Shoppers World, and I think it was like $6. So we're gonna put this baby on. This child better not. It's supposed to be water resistant, so I mean that's a good thing. But like, they brush their teeth. Well, she brushes her teeth. Oh, it could be the boys too, and just like freaking gets toothpaste all over the thing. So you take the little plastic thingy and you pull it off, and then you measure it to, actually I should have measured it first. See, I forgot that it comes longer than what I needed, but you like measured up to the sink part right here. There's a piece of hair stuck to it, that's not good. There's still some glue stuff on it, but I'm not worried about that. And you just put it all in. You got a new sink. Can you see? Oh, this is annoying. I gotta go get some scissors. But anyway, you saw what it looked like before. This is how it is after. So it makes it look a little bit better. Hold on, I need to go get scissors and I need to cut the excess part. All right, so this is looks a lot better, I must say. See what I mean? Did you see this? This is what I mean. Just freaking wash this table. And he comes in here, makes a sandwich on the table, and now I have to clean it again. What the fuck? No, I don't mind. I don't mind this. I don't mind cleaning the table 50 million times. No, not at all. Not at all. Guys, I think PMS is kicking in, but seriously, come on now. Time to eat lunch. I was just recording a whole bunch, and like, it wasn't recording. So, I was just talking about, I was having a conversation with you guys, but whatever. So, this is what that's what I'm eating. I'm putting some croutons on it, and my favorite salad dressing. What I was saying to you guys was that I have one more room to do. Look at the living room. But what I was saying, it doesn't only consist of just the living room, because I have all the clothes that I have to do that are in the living room, and then I have to put those away. And so the living room is not really going to be done until I do all that. By the way, Shout out to anybody who's a stay-at-home mom. Because people may think it's easy. It's not. I mean, I know it gotta be hard for like single moms to go to work and come home and have to clean and do everything by yourself. I bow down to you. Like, I don't work. My husband, he works, so I'll take care of home. But taking care of home is not easy. Not easier than going to work. Okay? When you're at work, you have the tasks that you have to do at work. You know what you need to do. And then you're done with your task, and that's it. And then you clock out and go home. And if you're lucky, you have somebody to help you at home. If you're not, you're doing it all by your dang self, and that's hard. So, although I do not work out of the home, it's still hard. Because I do everything else. And my job never stops. You guys know. I feel like a lot of people don't appreciate stay-at-home dads, but if the stay-at-home dads are doing as much as we are as mothers, big ups to you. It's the same. If the mother is the breadwinner, she makes some money, comes home, the house is clean, the kids are fed, taken to school, come back from school. It takes a lot of work. So, appreciate it. I'm done. I feel better. I'll be right back after these messages. I'm about to feed this guy. See this guy? No! No! Here. 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 Ah! Come on. I'm folding. You want to help me? Close. No? Of course not. I gotta fix you guys. You're like too bright. Here, take this. Put this in the garbage.
Oh my.
Baby, it's 6:45. Baby, I'm baby. Want to go get the broom and sweep in here for me?
Well, I will be in my room in front of the fan and eat my face.
Have a great time, chat.
The other one's for winter.
That's not folded.
Well, it's good enough.
I'm not even gonna fold your clothes.
No, fold them.
No, I don't want to fold them. You don't put them away anyway.
Mommy,
Nope.
fold them, please.
You better put them right away. Not folding them for nothing.
I folded like.
Guess what?
Great.
I folded those clothes already, though. I'm tired of hearing you say I folded all these. I fold them first before I give them to you. Just
in
like
the
I'm
drawer.
doing now.
In the drawer that was in the drawer before.
When I give you clothes, you're supposed to put them
You know the
away.
big pile of clothes that was on my chair?
Those were all folded.
Then we got involved because I kept going in through them.
That's why you're not supposed to go in through them.
And then,
Stop yelling at me.
and then we. I'm not yelling at you, so.
That's talking real loud.
That's adding. And then.
Loud. Can you stop before you break something?
And then Oh yeah. I'm gonna clothes out, folded other clothes, and I put the clothes that was on the chair lap. No, first there was this big giant thing of clothes, and I had it folded, and it was inside one of my drawers. Yeah.
Why was it not folded in her drawer? Because she didn't put it away when I gave it to her. So basically, I sit here folding clothes for no apparent reason. And then... And guess what? Janella's sick.
How?
She threw up 2 times at school.
Oh no.
Yeah, she didn't share it. But
She was spitting on me. She was doing this.
Did you do it back?
No.
You're right. It's dripping!
Here.
Get out of here.
You're talking out loud. You're like, it's dripping!
Okay, guys. Mama is done for now. Yeah. Let's take a look at what we've done today, shall we? This is the after. Floor is clean. Still have that smaller bag. I did a little bit, you know. Before, jeez. Alright, so guys, that's about all she wrote today. Here's Angie.
Oh, look at this, guys. Right there. This.
Oh, how the heck? Oh, C's good. Anyway, that's it for today. I have been cleaning since 10 o'clock this morning. It is now 1 o'clock, and I am ready to relax for a second before I have to get up and do it all over again. I am going to have to cook pretty soon. I have the meat defrosting. And listen, if nobody has told you that they appreciate you,
It was a full day?
I appreciate you.
Today was a full day?
Just know that. Until the next video. I'll catch you on the flip side.